Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today, this morning, I got a message from AAS Afriq Arbitrage System that they are introduced the new rules on how they can, try to figure out those that have fake accounts, those that are not doing well on the site, and they introduced this method called KYC, know your customer. Every website do this just to know how their customer are doing, where their customer is coming from. Okay, this is the right thing to do if you want your website to go forward, and if you don't want your country or any country to suspect that what you are doing is illegal. So AAS CEO introduced this method for you to make sure that you verify your account and do your KYC. So we are going to their Telegram channel, where we are going to read it together, and we proceed from there. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and if you haven't comment, please make sure you keep commenting in my video and like this video. Also, go to our Telegram, use the link in the description to join our Telegram channel, where I will be teaching you so many things concerning how to make money online if you haven't done that. So guys, let's go to this Telegram group, where we are going to hear from the horse's mouth. And also make sure that you use the link in the description to register in AAS. AAS is legit and is working perfectly. Okay, so this is the message we got this morning. You can see 27th August. Okay, and good morning, Spartans, that's investors. We are all going to verify our account. Okay, this is a one-time email verification. Okay, this is a one-time email verification. You can see it here. So I read this in thanks. Okay, this is when you verify, you will get this message here. Thanks for signing up. Before getting started, could you verify your email address by clicking on the link we just emailed to you? If you didn't receive the email, we will gradually send you another. Okay, so this is it. You can see the email. You come to your email address, you will get something like this. This is to know whether you are truly an investor or you are just there to waste their data. Okay, so you need to do this. Everybody, okay, everybody need to do this. Everybody need to do this. Once you are an investor, you need to go and do this right now. So but I'm going to take you from beginning to the end, so that you understand and know how you can do it practically. So that's what I'm always here to do. So we are going to the website right now to do this. So let's go. So we are here in their website. Okay, so let's try to do this once and for all. We click on login here. So we are here. You can see that in order to be part of this, we need to log in. Okay, let's log in. We click on our password and log in. Okay, you can see it right now. Thanks for signing up. What I read before, this is it. So thanks for signing up. Before getting started, could you verify your email address by clicking on the link we just emailed to you? If you didn't receive the email, we will gladly send you another. So I click on, okay, let me go and check whether I will see this email. So I'll go back. So guys, you are in the email address here. This is the email. Okay, this is the email from Afriq Arbitrage System. So we click on this, and after click on this, the next thing is to click on this verify email. So I click on verify email by clicking here. I will allow it to load. Hope you guys are following my instruction how we are doing this together. Okay, we are doing this together. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. So you can see here we are now live here. We have done the email verification. You can see it here. Please, if you haven't done this, try and do this now. They say that knowledge is power. That is the reason why I'm showing you this, how it works. Okay, so you need to do this if you haven't done yours. Okay, and if you send yours and you haven't gotten your email address, okay, to your email, please wait patiently. You are going to see it. It's just batch to batch. They are sending it back to batch. Okay, you can see that trading is going on here. You can see it here. Trading is going on here. So guys, I need us to make this money together. If you haven't registered, use the link in the description to register. Okay, once you register, you can fund the account with $22 and above. Okay, then this booth will start trading for you. Okay, that's very simple to do. It's very simple. This one is not you doing this on your own. It's just once you do, when you set it up by funding your wallet, you will go and sleep and the booth will do everything for you. So guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. We know how we do this. Let's keep winning. Okay, let's keep winning. So this is the end of this video. I'm still going to come back for another edition of this video, and I still have other videos where I'm going to show you a good way on how you can make a lot of money. Like, let me show you this video. If you haven't watched this video, go and watch this video. Okay, because what I do here is that once I see something that is working, I'll come direct and show you how I'm doing it. And I believe that once you do the same thing, you will get
success requires hard work.
So I'm going to take you to our videos where I will show you this video. Okay, this website launched 2 days ago. That's on Friday. It's launched 2 days ago, so it's still new and the work there is perfect. Okay, and I love how they are do their own. Okay, and I believe that you can make a lot of money with this team versus arbitrage trading. Okay, you can make a lot of money here. What I do here is that whatever that is working, I will always come here to show you. You are the one to decide whether to work with me or not. Okay, but I will always come here to show you what is working for that moment. Okay, so that's why I'm showing you this. So take care and make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you at the top. Bye bye.